I work for Mental Health Care UK. I'm a deputy manager of a service that supports individuals with learning disabilities and autism and other complex needs. So I completed my Health and Social Care Level 4 with COPPA, and I'm currently commencing my Level 5 at the moment. The company that I work for, we have values. One of our values is to invest in yourself. So that's really important for me to do, to improve and keep building on my skills as an individual, but also to be able to provide that top quality service for the individuals living in the service that I am the deputy manager of. I've enjoyed the whole process. I've learned a lot about myself. I've become a lot more confident within my work and my learning. I recognise that certain types of learning, like in a classroom environment, aren't necessarily for me. Being a part of a group and sort of learning with my peers as well, and having a really supportive tutor, it really gave me the confidence to enjoy it as well as learn a lot, to understand things differently, to see things from a different perspective, and to really take on board what I learn and put it into practice as well. So I've been able to make some really positive changes within my service because of doing it and taking what I've learned from the apprenticeship to actually improve the service and improve the quality of care that we provide to the individuals we support.